Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. As already discussed, from today we are going to start the mock test for Polycet entrance examination. So if there is any student who has not yet started your preparation, then what are you doing here? Please don't postpone. It's high time you need to start your preparation now. So at least now start preparing. Okay, so in mathematics I'm going to ask you questions based on trigonometry chapter. Okay, previous year questions based on trigonometry chapter. So what you will do at least now is take any book, any reference book or any material or any textbook from which you want to prepare for Polycet. Take that book and start preparing trigonometry chapter, because today's mock test will have questions based on trigonometry chapter. Okay, and they are going to be all previous year questions and they are very important, so please do prepare well. And physics and chemistry also, start small. Okay, take each chapter, or take the summaries of all the chapters one day and start preparing. So today you will get 10 marks maths questions, 5 marks physics and 5 marks chemistry questions. So do attempt the mock test. I will give you the mock test here in the blog. Okay, so the blog link I will give you in the description. Okay, you can just click on the description. Okay, you will find the link of the blog. Click on that blog link and you will be directed to the blog. So the blog is completely free. Mock test will be uploaded every day, right? And you can give the free mock test so that you will have a good practice, right? And you will also know where are you standing in the competitive level. And also once you give the mock test, just comment and let everyone know what is the score. Okay, in the blog itself you can comment. You'll have an option of comment. You can comment and let everyone know your score, so that you will know whether you're doing good or not, and you will know how much rank you can score, right? So this comment point is really important, because all the students who have attempted the mock test, if they comment, so students, the group who is preparing will know where are you standing. Like suppose if one gets 20 marks, so if one gets only 18 marks, if one gets only 9 marks, so you will know where are you standing and how much more you have to prepare, right? So that's the whole purpose of it. So mock test will be live today at 9 p.m. Okay, so I will upload the mock test at 9 p.m. today in the blog. It is completely free. You can follow the blog by clicking on the link given in the description, and also every day you'll have a mock test. Okay, so I started working for you and I also want you to start working for yourself. Chalo then, all the best. Please start your preparation.